Maybe you can speak to the Kardashev scale for people who don't know. So one of the sort of meme-like principles and goals of the EAC movement is to ascend the Kardashev scale. What is the Kardashev scale, and when do we want to ascend it?
The Kardashev scale is a measure of our energy production and consumption. And really, it's a logarithmic scale. And Kardashev type 1 is a milestone where we are producing the equivalent wattage to all the energy that is incident on Earth from the sun. Kardashev type 2 would be harnessing all the energy that is output by the sun. And I think type 3 is like the whole galaxy equivalent.
Galaxy, I think, level, yeah.
Yeah. And then some people have some crazy type 4 and 5, but I don't know if I believe in those. But to me, it seems like from the first principles of thermodynamics that, again, there's this concept of thermodynamic driven dissipative adaptation where, life evolved on Earth because we have this sort of energetic drive from the sun, right? We have incident energy, and life evolved on Earth to figure out ways to best capture that free energy to maintain itself and grow. And I think that principle, it's not special to our Earth-Sun system. We could extend life well beyond, and we kind of have a responsibility to do so because that's the process that brought us here. So we don't even know what it has in store for us in the future. It could be something of beauty we can't even imagine today, right?